Safety for autonomous driving is key to a future where passengers and pedestrians can rely on technology. This is why Lake Fusion Technologies introduces the SafetyKit. With the SafetyKit, which is based on rule-based software and multimodal sensor technology, LFT ensures that autonomous vehicles can be certified with appropriate verification. A key component of the LFT solution is the safeguarding of artificial intelligence. The SafetyKit is divided in a performance block and a safety envelope. In the performance block, we take all the pixels and filter out artifacts like fog, snow, and rain. We also determine the capable range, which is how far the LiDAR system can detect the outside world, even under changing weather conditions. To ensure maximum reliability, we detect if all sensors are perfectly aligned. In the safety envelope, we safeguard the AI on an ASIL D level. The momentary free space defines the boundaries within which the AI can drive autonomously. With our lane detection, the car can be assigned to the current road layout, which is crucial for navigation. The highlight of our system is object detection and tracking of objects. We do this to provide reliable information about the surrounding area and to improve predictions. Next, we fuse the information from this system and the information about the radar and camera's AI stack from our partner together. With our fusion, we achieve ASIL D level, which is the prerequisite for autonomous driving. This is how Lake Fusion Technologies enables autonomous driving up to level 4. Contact us about our SafetyKit to ensure maximum safety.